In this video, I'll show you how to set up a behavior tracking system in Google Sheets that automates reports and emails to parents. Let's dive in. This is the behavior log where you can quickly enter details about student behavior. Add the student's name, select the behavior type from the drop-down, assign points, and add any additional details. Here, the Responses tab captures all the data entered in the behavior log, keeping everything organized and easy to access. The Summary log dynamically summarizes behavior data for each student, giving you an overview of positive and negative behaviors, total points, and additional notes. The sheet uses custom formulas to automatically pull and update the summary. The Parent Contact page links each student to their parent or guardian's email, so notifications are sent to the right person. This is an awesome feature as it frees up time on those parent contacts. You can set the sheet up to send out emails on negative, positive behaviors, or both. To automate the emails, go to Extensions, then select App Script. Here's the script that makes it all work. It checks for negative behaviors, finds the matching parent email, and sends a notification. You can also customize what you want your email to say here. Next, set up a trigger to run the script automatically. You can schedule it to check for new behavior entries hourly, daily, or on form submit. Here's what the automated email looks like. It's clear, professional, and includes all the necessary details for parents. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more tutorials like this, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos.